In this video, we are going to start our NTSC exam thinking, because already date declared like that, and December 12th will be our exam date. So we are going to think that one, and I know all students are interested to attend the classes. So that NTSC 2020-21 examination is conducted in two stages. Stage 1 is conducted at the state or the union territory level by the concerned state union territory authorities. The questions paper consists of two papers, MAT and SAT. The NTSC exam pattern 2020-21 states that stage 1 examination can be attempted in either Hindi or in English language. So we want to attempt in English. Every correct answer will fetch 1 mark, while there is no negative marking for the wrong attempt. Check the NTSC 20 exam pattern for the both stages below. Part 1, MAT means mental ability test. What it is MAT? Well, that is mental ability test. Then MAT consists of questions based on analytical and logical reasoning. First type question, it is analytical and logical reasoning questions. The next one, mental ability test, evaluate the candidate's reasoning, ability to think, ability to evaluate, ability to discriminate and visualize. So this is the aim of making this MAT, means mental ability test, to understand the reasoning power of the child, then ability to think, ability to evaluate, ability to discriminate and visualize. This section consists of total 100 questions, and you will get time 120 minutes. Then the main topic of the mental ability test are series, pattern perception, analogies, coding and decoding, classifications, hidden figures and problem solving, etc. These are the main questions used to ask. Once again, series, pattern perception, analogies, coding and decoding, classification, hidden figures, problem solving, etc. For 100 question you will get 120 minutes. Second part, it is the scholastic aptitude test, that is SAT we used to call. SAT section consists of total 100 mark questions from science 40 marks, social science 40 mark and mathematics 20 mark. The section test the candidate reading abilities, interpretation, evaluation, general awareness of the subject. So the questions coming from the, usually they will ask like this: reading abilities, interpretation, evaluation. When we will discuss the one by one lesson, that time you will get better idea. Then general awareness of the subject. The time allotment of the SAT section, that also 120 minutes. So for 100 question you will get 20 minutes extra. The level of the question will be equivalent to class 10 or equivalent exam. Means the class 10 means not only 10 standard, other class questions also will come. Then paper, number of questions, MAT 100 questions, maximum mark 100 mark, duration 120, that we have seen already. Then marking scheme. Why I am explaining all these things? You may think why we are explaining the lesson once again like that. So you should not feel like that. For that purpose I am explaining. Then NTSC marking scheme, for correct answers only, each answer we will get 1 mark, and if it is there is no negative marking, and if we are not attempted question, there also they won't deduct any mark. That is the first stage details. Then syllabus. Then NTSC MAT syllabus, blood relations, distance, directions and coding and decoding, ranking and arrangements, Venn diagrams, word problems, etc. That is maximum related to science and maths. Only relation like that things it may come from social science. Then we are coming to NTSC social science syllabus. French Revolution, in which class you studied? That is, you studied in 9th standard. World War First and Second, Indian freedom struggle. Part of Indian freedom struggle you are studying in 10th standard. Part you studied in 8th standard. Natural vegetation you studied in 9th standard. Indus Valley civilization you studied in 9th standard. Studied in smaller classes, I think 7th or 6th standard. Climate, solar system, maps, globe, judiciary, Indian constitution, Indian government. Maximum lessons from not only 10th standard, other classes also. Solar system, like that, it is not a small topic, it is a big means one topic itself will take much time. Then climate you studied in 9th standard, nutshell you studied in 9th standard, so we want to explain these things detailed way. Then maps you studied in a nutshell, that is in the 6th standard, then again we want to study. Then globe also studied in a, like that 2 pages about globe chapter you studied in 6th standard, now we want to study again. Then judiciary studied in 8th standard, now we want to study again. Indian constitution you studied in again in 8th standard and 9th standard, that we want to study again. Indian government you studied in many classes. These are the lessons we want to concentrate. So don't think like that only 10th standard lessons if you are learning, or 9th standard lesson we can write our exam properly. No, we want to study many 6 to 10th standard lessons. Don't feel like that oh, what I will do. No, we can do it, or already we studied, we want to learn little more neatly. Then stage 2, that we will explain afterwards. First we will go through the lessons and we can see the lessons if you are listening. French Revolution, World War First and Second, Indian freedom struggle, all these lessons from history. Natural vegetation and climate, solar system, map, globe, it is from geography. Indus Valley civilization from history again. Then judiciary, Indian constitution, Indian government from civics, means you want to learn the lessons from history, then civics, then geography. Don't feel like that economics we can avoid. No, we want to learn that lessons also. We want to learn that lessons also. So 9th and 10th standard lessons plus 6 to 8 lessons in partially we want to learn. Then only we can score good mark in NTSC. So if you are ready, we can do it and we will make it. Are you ready? Yes, I think you people are ready. Okay. In next video, we will start with one by one lesson.